Hello viewers, welcome in another episode, and today I have pleasure to present you very interesting, very unusual model or set. This is X-Car Toys, which is company known for pop race as well, and as you can see we have Ford Bronco, Badlands. It's officially licensed, and I think this is a really good PR for Ford. This model is, in my opinion, one of the most interesting models, diecast models in 1/64 scale from the last 20-25 year. It's very unusual, not only because, as you can see, there is a big box and it looks quite premium, to be honest, but the packaging, it's very unusual, and I will show you why. As you can see, we removed top with some transparent elements. Then we will remove blister number 1. There will be plenty of blisters, so we remove blister number 1. We can remove model. There is smaller blister. It's like those Russian dolls inside dolls inside dolls inside dolls, etc. So that's blister number 2. We can remove those pontoons or 2 ribs connected, making very interesting, very nice looking craft. It's mostly plastic apart from the screws, but then we can remove blister number 3, so we will get access to some extra details which we can remove and which are held in 2 more blisters. So in total we have 5 blisters, plenty of plastic. So you know that we are getting so many blisters. It is really worth. It is really worth, because let me show you this. We will start with model itself. Let's turn on macro. Front is very nice with acrylic headlamps. Of course, rubber tires, nice rims. Mirrors which are proper mirrors, because you can see reflection of the model itself. Rear, look at this, and it's same front. Acrylic lamps, very nice details with front Ford Bronco, etc. Interior wise, without roof, we have really good access to see what's inside, and it's really nice. We have displays, we have clock, steering wheel with badge. There are no pedals, which, to be honest, even if they just use decals or paint something similar as for a dashboard, would be very nice thing. But we have those tiny buttons to move seats, front seats. We have electric front seats, so it's already nice thing. But we have more elements. We turn it upside down. It's not like we have a little bit mess now, but we will handle it. We have doors which will be sitting, we can fit those. Those are again quite details, because we have those inside cards and we can see door handles, etc. And there are magnetos, which is very nice, because you can slide it, it won't fall, it will stay there. So we can put all 4 doors, and those are removable exactly as in real car, and that's why mirrors are not fitted to the doors, because it could be a little bit problematic when we remove those and we can see, you know, for the driver, he can see behind car. Then we can push the rear part of the roof with glass, and then we have one more piece. It's not sitting that well. It clicks and it won't fall when we turn it upside down, but it's not sitting, you know, very well. Oh, now it's sitting a little bit better, but it can be, as you can see, easily removed. But in total, we are getting plenty of ways to configure that model. And then we are getting wrapped with ramps. I'm so excited with this model. I'm just saying stupid things. We have outboard engines, and as you can see, those move a little bit. We have 2 paddles, and we got big paddle, which is not really a paddle, it's just something which will help us to remove panels if we don't have small fingers like me. You know, someone can be, I don't know, like Arnold Schwarzenegger or something even more massive person, and then it could be tricky to remove those doors then. But we will remove roof, and in this configuration, look, we can drive over ramp, then we can drive over ramp. The other side we can reverse because we have mirrors, so we can reverse onto raft, and this is very clever thing. It's asking for some figures to be printed, and you know, maybe even making a diorama, because it's so clever, it's so interesting. To know the way we can configure it, it adds a lot to the whole thing, and the whole thing is not that expensive, because it costed me a little bit over 20 euros, so it's not that expensive if we take into consideration what we are getting. You know, it's just brilliant. It's not as cheap as Mini GT, but some of Mini GTs can be more expensive, especially those modern race cars, where, you know, Mini GT need to pay license to racing teams, all the sponsors, etc. So it's getting more expensive. And if someone is not a huge fan of those racing cars, someone prefer regular cars or some kind of strange weirdos, this is one of those models you should take into consideration. So I will ask you to write in the comments what is your opinion about that. I know that's not something interesting for everyone, but still I think this is a brilliant idea. I'm waiting for more of those clever models with suspension and removable parts and some really cool extras. That's all in this video. As usual, all the best for all of you, and see you soon. Bye bye.